Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Life at SAP, and today's in this session I'm going to cover how to execute the foreign currency revaluation program, which is transaction code is FAGL underscore FCV. uh, just a second, let me re-log in again. Yes, so the transaction code is FAGL underscore FCV. So this is the transaction code where we are executing the foreign currency revaluation. So basically the foreign currency revaluation is nothing but if my company code is 2000 and my company code currency is INR. It means it's a local currency. So other than INR, if I post any transaction other than INR, that is called as a foreign currency document. Like a USD or MXN or SAR. These all will be called as a foreign currency document. So whenever I execute the program FAGL FCV, system will check the values from USD to, it will compare to the my local currency INR, and what are the differences are there, it will post to the differences account which we have maintained in the system. Those are called realized and unrealized gain and loss accounts. System will post to those accounts. I will make one more video on the foreign currency revaluation configuration, and there I will explain all the details about what is the valuation area and what is a realized account and what is unrealized account. When the amount changes, amount will be posted to those unrealized and gained realized loss accounts. I will explain there. So in this section I will be explaining the only what is the process and what is the prerequisite to execute the foreign currency revaluation program. So whenever I execute the FAGL FCV, system will check these values from these two, my foreign currency to my local currency, which is INR, and whatever the difference based on the exchange rates we have maintained in the OB08 transaction code for this currencies, for these two currencies. Based on that only, system will pick the exchange rate and it will calculate and it will post the differences. So here I will show you the how to execute this program here. So here if you can see, we have the company code option. My company code is 2000, and here we have the valuation areas, just F4 here. So here my valuation areas H1 and H2. H1 is for balance sheet valuations, like customer and vendor and balance sheet accounts, and open item managed accounts. For that we need to select this one. Okay, and then here I have selected my open item subledgers, like evaluate vendors and evaluate customers. And in open item accounts, I'm just selecting the evaluate GL accounts. Whatever the open item GL accounts it will have, system will evaluate those accounts. So here in this posting tab, and your company code and valuation area, and after that a key date, it means end of the period date. So system will by default automatically it will take the date. So currently in this system it's taking 31/8/2023. And now if you come here, we have test run and simulation run and update run. Test run means, if you can say, if you have any errors, if you want to see the if you have any errors or not, we can execute in the test run. And the simulation run also, system will not post any documents here. And if you don't see any errors, then only you have to go and select here the update run, and then only you need to execute this one, update run. And while you are running the foreign currency revaluation, if you find out we have some unpost some wrong documents, anything like that, so for to reverse the postings, reverse the revaluation and all those things, you just need to select this reset revaluation, and you need to execute it. Then system will whatever the posted entries, system will reset those documents. And that's all in this tab. And here in open item subledgers, here we will be having evaluate vendors If you have if you want to select any particular vendors, you can give the range and you can maintain here. And here we have a selection dynamic parameters. We have dynamic selection area. If you want to select as only some particular documents or any filtering criteria, we have to maintain here. And the same for the customers also, we have number range here from and to, and the dynamic selection here to control only for the particular selection parameters. And apart from that, then open item GL accounts. Here we can whenever we have selected this one, if we have to make, if we have to execute the program for only for some particular open item GL accounts, then you need to maintain here. If you want system to be consider all the GL account, then you can leave it blank here. And then here we have GL account balances. And so here we can execute. If you select only evaluate GL balances, system will consider whatever the balance sheet GL accounts which has been maintained here, only those will be considered by system. And also along with the evaluate GL account, and if you select evaluate PNL account also, then system will consider the balance sheet GL accounts as well as PNL accounts. And then if you select this valuation periodic balance only, it means a system will evaluate only for the particular period balances only. It will not check for the previous previous periods. Only system will evaluate for the particular period documents only. And coming to the output and technical setting, here we can if you give the check mark here, system will automatically save the logs whatever you are executing, whether it is the test run, or it's an update run, or it's in the simulation run, or it reversal. Everything will be log, system will capture the log, output log. Okay, and then in my case, I am going to select have select the valuation area H1, which is the balance sheet valuation. So I have selected the valuation for vendors and valuation for customers. And here open items, and here I'm selecting the valuation of account balances for the balance sheet GL accounts. Now clicking on execute. So for the balance sheets, system has certain only one vendor and one customer only. Only we have these many documents only for the foreign currency documents, which is a USD. Here you can see this is the valuation amount. This is the invoice amount 2000 and 1000, which is a USD, and the valuation amount in currency. The differences based on the currency exchange rate. Whenever I post the invoice, at that time there is a one rate, exchange rate is there. When I am executing the foreign currency revaluation for that particular date, there is some other rate is there. The total the differences between those two rates is capturing here. And here we can see the exchange rate actually. And here we can see old difference and the new differences, and posted amount to be posted, this one in the local currency only it will post. Okay, now here we can see the postings. So this is the postings generally happening, going to be happen. Expense account to balance sheet account. Same here, expense account to balance sheet account. And here we have a few errors. I will see what is those. So account determination incorrect for company code and 2200. Okay, I believe there is no account determination has been maintained for the valuation area H1. Let me go to the transaction code OB09, where we will maintain the account determination for the foreign currency revaluation documents post. OB09 here, and my chart of accounts is 2000. Yeah, here we are getting the error for 2200, but there is no entry for the 2200. Let me copy this one and make the entry. Now I'm going one step back here. Again, I'm executing this one in test run. Let's see. So still I'm getting the 7 errors. Let me open this. Now I'm getting only one error, which is not because of this. These errors our system is showing. Account 6000013 requires an account assignment to relevant cost accounting. So what is happening here? If you can check the postings, you will get to know. So system is going to post these many entries. So here you can see 6000014. It is a PNL account which we have maintained as a exchange realized gain or loss account. So system is going to post the difference to this account and the remaining thing to this account. So whenever we are posting, make the pasting to the PNL account, we should have system will look for the cost object, whether it is a profit center or WBS element or a cost center. So in this case, a system is posting system is looking for the cost center. Whenever the automatic postings are happening, we cannot assign the cost center or profit center manually. So in this case, we have here we have three solutions we can update. Either we can update the OKB9 OKB9 for this GL account. At company code level, we can default the cost center. Here I will show you OKB9. So here we need to maintain the company code and the cost element and the cost center. Then system will read those cost element from here, and it will by then the error will be bypassed. And we have one more second option would be the substitution. We need to define one substitution rule for the all this whenever this FAGL FCV program is executing a company called 1000 so on so and if the GLA codes are these, then populate this profit center or cost center, like that substitution we can maintain. And we have one more transaction code. With the help of the transaction code, system will pick the cost center or profit center or any cost object from the original document, which means whatever the document which you are going to revaluate the main invoice, system will pick the cost center and profit center from there only. So I will show you here now how to do that. Just go to another screen, and the transaction code is FINS, okay, underscore FINS underscore and FCT underscore, okay, GL again underscore BAL again underscore VAL. So this is the transaction code. Here we need to give a check mark against to this cost object, and the profit center and partner profit center already it's been marked by default from the system. And then here we need to select the cost center and click on save. And now system will read the cost center or profit center from the original document. Let's see. So I'm going one step back, one more step back here, and then click on execute. Still I can see the messages. Just a second. Account requires, oh, just a second. Then we need to refresh the transaction. Just go all the way back once, and then FAGL underscore FCV company code and valuation area H1 for the balance sheet accounts, vendor, and this one, and any open items, and then any balance sheet accounts, and then click on execute. I can see still 6 messages. 16 30 requests and assignment to relevant cost accounting. Okay, Let's check where this GL account is picking. In document 1 it's picking actually, so one step back here. So for this line item it's picking the, let me check here, this is 9. This account, cost object is selected, and then cost center is also selected. Okay, there is some bug. Let me execute it for valuation area H2. There's nothing only here. I will select this one and evaluate PNL accounts, and then click on execute. See here, we are not getting any errors here. See, I can see the 60013 also coming. Here, if you are getting the error for 6000013 in valuation area 1 for the customer and vendor revaluation, and for the same GL account here we are not getting the error because we have already maintained the configuration, which is system will pick the cost object from the original document. So now sit back and click on update run, and then click on execute. Whenever you select the update run, system will post the documents here. You can see the document posted documents here. So these are the documents which has been posted by the system. Let's validate this document and go to another screen and access the transaction code AB03 to display the transaction document. So I'm going to copy this document and this one. So this is the document. Here you can see the amounts are 00. You need to select in the local currency. Yeah, here then only you will be able to see the documents here. Amount. So the foreign exchange loss account debit and sales revenue account is created. So the profit center is picked from this original entry. System has picked the profit center from the original entry, and likewise I will show you the other document as well. So there is a one expense account. This is a expense account vendor posting. So here we can see vendor posting line item expense account which we have posted. Here also system is showing the 00 values. For this, to view this document to amounts, you need to click on the local currency here, and then we can see the changes here. So here I have not maintained any values at OB08 as per the current rate. So for testing purpose only I have maintained the random things. So this is the process to execute the foreign currency revaluation. And now I will go back and I will execute this H1 also one more time. Let's see what happened. Okay, now on the test run, again we have these errors. No, just a second. Okay, now system only reevaluate for the vendors and the customers. Just execute it. Now still we can see this many things. Okay, what is this document? So this is my vendor invoice document against to whenever for this document only we are getting the error. So here this one and the posting starting here and 13 also here. This is the reversal posting and this is the current posting. I will explain you why system is reversal posting is happening here in the next video, where I will explain in detail the foreign currency revaluation configuration and everything there. So currently we are getting the error for this account 13. So now this error we are getting for the document number 2, the account 6000013 requires an assignment to relevant cost object. So what is happening here, I will explain you. We are getting that error for this customer line item. So if you can check this document, okay, see here, this is my sales revenue document which I have created in the USD currency. This one USD currency. So here we will not have the cost center here. We will be only having the profit center. Okay, for the revenue GL account, which is the cost element category 11, for any GL account which I have maintained the cost element category 11, for those GL accounts, whenever I am posting the transaction, system will only look for the profit center, not for the cost center. So whenever this document is reevaluating by the system through foreign currency FAGL underscore FCV, okay, whenever it's reevaluating and it's posting the entries here, you can see here this line item here. Whenever system is posting the the realized gain and loss account, we have maintained as an expense account, which is cost element category is 1. So because of this issue system is throwing the error. So whenever in the system is what now system is doing, system is picking the cost center cost object from the original document. When system is going back and checking the cost object from here, system only finds the profit center. But whenever system is posting here, system needs the cost center. Then here system is checking for the cost center is blank. So that's what we are getting this error. In this scenario we have to correct the account determination in OB09. Let me correct the OB09 account determination. OB09. Okay, and this one. So here I will maintain the one balance sheet account for the both realized and unrealized gain and loss account tab. So I'm saving here this one. So I'm coming back from this screen. Now I'm again re-executing this one. Okay, still okay. Why managed account must be posted with you. Okay, got it. Okay, so this is open item managed account. Let me go back again. OP09. Acha, this is my this account. Okay, so we should not system will directly will not post the open item managed accounts. So what this error mean, open item managed account 2200 must not be posted with bstat is equal to u. It means uh, generally in the APA 50 or manual posting system will not allow the open item GL account. So now we need to change the this balance sheet adjustment account as this GL account, the balance sheet adjustment account. Saving this here. Now go back here. Again one more step back. Now I will execute this one. I will see. Now in this case I will get any error or not. See, now we are not getting any errors here. So here we can see the postings as well. What are the postings will be happening? This is the FCV foreign currency revaluation valuation account, and this is the reversal posting at the next month first date. So okay, and this is the document. Okay, we are executing this program in the test mode, so that's why system is giving this dollar symbol GL, document number. It means this is in a test mode only, so right, so that's what the system is giving the wrong updating as a 00 document. So now I will come one step back here and one more step back. Now I will be selecting the update run, and now I will execute this program again. Now click on postings. So this is the document, and this is the reversal posting. It will automatically post on this day 019/2023. If you are executing you need to execute this program at the month end date, then only the next date the system will revel, reverse those documents for the unrealized documents only. So I will open this document and we'll see what is the cost object has been updated there. P03. See, we can see here the cost object, I mean to say profit center, is updated as a 5000. If you want, I will open the original document also here. So this is the original document, the 5000, and here also you can see the 5000. So generally this is the process to execute the foreign currency revaluation, and I hope you guys understood. In the next session I will be covering the all the configuration of a foreign currency revaluation. Thanks a lot for the watching my videos. Thank you.